Construction is really about time, money, materials, and engineering, and that Toughbook is really an ideal solution for that type of environment.
Engineers, technicians, architects, they need to be able to access their CAD drawings, their maps, their technical documentations while they are in the field.
It allows you to deliver reliable and secure access to applications and data out on the construction site where people can make decisions in real time, outdoors, at where something's being built or maintained. And it allows you to run your construction site much more efficiently with people getting the right data at the right time to make the right decisions.
Asset management basically is ensuring that any asset, whether it's a building, it's an industrial plant, or any kind of asset, it's properly maintained, verified, and keep in a proper way. And if it needs to be repaired or there is any kind of fault, it's sorted out as fast as possible in the most efficient way.
And Toughbook is really is unique to be able to do this. It's a computerized tool that allows you to inspect and maintain your assets, many of which could be outdoors in tough environments, away from, say, traditional networks. It allows you to inspect and maintain them and make decisions at the point of asset maintenance. You can carry your documents with you, you can carry your maps, you can carry your technical drawings, you can read them in sunlight.
Asset inspectors of buildings or industrial plants or any kind of asset, these guys, they're moving from one place to another place. So as they are mobile, what they need is a mobile device as well.
Really, I would define this as outdoor engineering. Traditionally, engineering has all been about, you had the drawing board and then you had computer-aided design. But now, of course, we can extend that out into the field. And with Toughbooks, you can take all those drawings with you. You can even amend them. Our devices are powerful enough and have the high enough screen resolution that you can actually do computer-aided design, not back in the drawing room, but actually with your customer. So, for example, if you're an architect or an engineer, you can sit down with your customer and go through different scenarios, show them what happens if things change, and it's all then and there. So it really completely transforms the business process.
Toughbook is like a 21st century toolbox. We have so many tools like RFID, barcode reader, camera, so many different tools that help us, have people in the field capture data so that they can do more tasks and in a more fast way and also a more efficient way with less errors, increasing productivity and efficiency. Toughbook allows these engineers to access their manuals, engineering manuals. The fact that they can access this information reduces errors. Also, they can check them out in the daylight without any problem, independently on the weather conditions. GPS allows route management improvement. Engineers can be they can go to the asset in the most direct way. This is very important because they can increase the productivity by reaching early at the assets, so they can check out more assets in one day, increase the number of sort-out tasks. Also, it has an impact on financial because you can reduce the cost on fuel. The fact of having these guys in the field, sometimes in very remote locations, it makes the GPS even more useful because it helps us give them increase the security for them because we always know where they are. We have the best connectivity in the market. Mobile telephones have the same connectivity as our laptops, so you can, in the worst situation, you can always connect and check any information online that you need to do that is key to perform your business. They are certainly ruggedized. They can drop and they're going to be much more resistant than any other laptop you can buy out there. They are a Panasonic Toughbook.
Toughbook don't make ordinary computers. We actually make computers that are designed to go where actually people have traditionally never had computing access. It's been too difficult. The situations have either been too rugged, so too hot or wet or dusty, or maybe the They found it difficult to get network access wirelessly. We call these access barriers, something that's stopping a user who's never had access to applications and data from accessing them. And what we do at Toughbook is we overcome those.
We define field technology as customer-facing business processes in the field. And we at Panasonic Toughbook, we provide solutions to these companies that help them increase their productivity, reduce their cost, and therefore work in a more efficient way.
Now, it's become increasingly difficult for organizations to differentiate themselves using computing. Everybody has PCs now. Everybody has laptops now. So they're kind of very difficult tools to use to differentiate your business. Toughbook is different. Imagine what you could do with your business if you could give that customer-facing field representative a computer that would allow them to help a customer at the customer using real-time data, outdoors, in bright sunlight. By giving this sort of computing access in these types of extremely challenging environments, we actually change completely the way businesses work. We change completely the experience that customers get, and it allows you to totally transform your business.
And this has an enormous impact in productivity and also financially. It has an enormous impact on both companies and also in the reputation of your company as a service provider.
Toughbook are the market leaders in our industry. Within Europe, we have 82% market share of the rugged market according to VDC. Really, no one else comes close. We're different for many reasons, and customers choose us because we only do rugged computing. That's all we do. We don't do anything else, and we've been doing it for the longest time. We came out with the first rugged computer over 13 years ago, and it's allowed us to build up a tremendous base of expertise, of technology, and of partners that can offer things such as mounting solutions or power or management solutions that are really best of breed for these types of very special environment. In these types of extreme environments which Toughbook excel in, you don't really want a novice. You don't really want a generalist. I would ask a climber, if you were going up to the top of Everest, would you want a Sherpa who has been trained in Nepal and lived in the Himalayas and knows those mountains inside out, or do you want an airport porter? That's the difference between Toughbook and traditional computer manufacturers.